I'm Jennifer, and this channel is called A Country Life. FASHOM reached out to me. They wanted me to give their service a try and to share it with you guys. So how FASHOM works is you go onto their website, fashom.com, and you create like a style profile, and they ask you questions about the types of clothing that you wear for work or for fun. They ask what you like in your clothing as far as color, pattern, style, and then as well, if there's anything there you're trying to accentuate, and if there's anything that you are trying to hide. So from there, there's a $15 stylist fee. The stylist will give you around 7 items to choose from, and then you choose your 5 favorite items. They will ship them to your home, and then you get to choose. You get to have your own try-on in the comfort of your own home, and then you get to decide what it is that you want to keep. So if you keep all 5 items, then you get a 30% discount on your full order. If you keep 3 or 4 of the items, you get a 25% discount. Even if you keep only 1 or 2 of them, you don't get any discount. So in the box comes a shipping bag, so anything that you don't want, you just put back into the bag, and then within 3 days you just drop that at the post office and it ships back and everything is good. You also log into your account and click on the things that you're going to save, and they only charge your account for the things that you're actually keeping. So let's get into this try on. So the shirt that I'm wearing right now, this is actually my very, very favorite of all the things that I did receive in this box. I will also try on this pink shirt, and a pair of jeans, and a green, Kelly green, very bright green. I love this color. A green shirt here, and then I'm going to try on this shirt here with the paisley sleeves. This has a similar cut as to the shirt I'm wearing. I think they call this cut raglan, where the seam kind of crosses over like the edge of your chest down to your armpit rather than from the shoulder down. Okay, so I told you guys that this was my absolute favorite top. The fabric is super soft. I love that the sleeves have, they're very fitted, so I can pull them up, because that's pretty much how I wear my clothes all day long, and just kind of pulling them up. I love the color. It's like a denim blue and maybe white, or kind of an off-white kind of color. Favorite shirt, definitely keeping this. I like how it is a little bit longer on the back side. I wear a lot of like skinny jean style pants, and so I like to have it a little bit longer in the back. Okay, here's the next shirt. I do love the 3/4 length. I like the neckline. Again, I love this raglan style cut, but I'm not sure if I like the colors. I like the fit of the shirt. Again, it has kind of that longer curved edge, like the fit. I think I'm going to send this back though. I just don't think that I would wear this particular print. All right, so there's definitely a theme in the styles of shirts that I chose. Again, it's kind of got that loose flowy here, so it's kind of longer across the bum. This shirt, again, I really like this one. I love, again, the sleeves are tight. I like tight fitting sleeves, especially for like cooking and stuff like that. They're not, you know, draping into the food and everything. Love the shirt. I love the color. I like this neckline too. It's kind of like more ballerina style, still high enough, doesn't, you know, show anything off, but it kind of comes out a little bit further. So definitely have to be a little more careful with undergarments with this one, but I do like this little bit different style neckline, like ballerina style. Love it. And I want to say that it's really, really in your best interest to be really particular about the things that you do have them send to you, because remember, if you keep all 5, you get 30% off of your total, the total price. So my very first styling session, I actually only liked, truly liked one of the items that they had. And so then I just let the stylist know, and she or he just gave me a whole nother list of things to choose from. And in that list, I found all kinds of things. So definitely don't be shy about making sure that you actually have things getting shipped to you that you potentially think you're going to want to keep. So love this shirt, keeping this one. All right, so this was the very first pick. that I made off of my first list, and I really do like this shirt. This is a different brand than the other shirts. It fits a little different. These are all in size medium, and this one seems a little snugger, especially through the arms, but I'm still going to keep this because I do think that as I wear this, you know, these will kind of stretch out just a little bit. But again, I love the fact that they are going to stay put and not get down into my cooking. This one I probably wouldn't wear with quite as tight of jeans as this normally, but still like this. I like that it kind of sits right here, kind of ruches on the side. This is a different type of fabric too. Let's see, this actually is almost like a terry cloth or something on the inside. Different than all the other shirts. Love this shirt too. Love the color. I like that. I like these solid color shirts, the green and this pink one, because I can add scarves to it. Like with this one in the winter when it's cold in the house or whatever, I like that I can add this, and it's, you know, it's gray and it's still going to look really, really nice with this, with these solid color shirts. So love this one. Definitely keeping this shirt. The last item, I mean, honestly guys, I did try these things all on before I started filming, so this isn't my very first time trying everything on. These jeans, although they fit great, I think they're great quality. They're called a rayon denim, and they're super stretchy. I mean, they're like having pajama pants on, seriously. But I just didn't like the pockets, so these I'm actually going to send back. So I'm going to end up keeping 3 items, which is going to give me 25% off my total order. And one thing that I did like is that the clothes aren't that expensive. I do have to remember you are paying, you know, premium because someone else is kind of doing your shopping. It's coming straight to your house. They have free returns, free exchanges. If you like the item but it just didn't fit right, you can send it back. They will exchange it to a different size, you know, totally for free. And so you kind of are paying for a service again, because like I said, customer service, you know, you have to pay for that. Anyway, if this is something that you are interested in, definitely check out FASHOM. If you're kind of thinking you're in a rut and you just want to like freshen up your wardrobe without having to drive around to 6 or 7 different stores, like in my case, you know, I'd have to go to a whole nother town or whatever, you know, to do some clothing shopping, and sometimes I just don't have time for that. So this was a real treat. Thank you to FASHOM for providing me this opportunity. I love sharing this with you guys.